Hey truck enthusiasts! Today we're taking a look at the all-new Ram 1500 that's just hit European shores. This American beast is making waves across the pond, and for good reason. Let's dive into what makes this truck special. First up, let's talk power. Rams ditched the classic Hemi V8 for something new and exciting, the Hurricane engine family. We're looking at two flavors of a 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six. The standard version pumps out a hefty 420 horsepower and 636 newton-meters of torque. But if that's not enough for you, the high-output version cranks it up to a whopping 540 horses and 706 newton-meters. That's V8 punch with better efficiency, folks. And if you're more eco-conscious, the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with e-torque mild hybrid tech is still an option, giving you 305 horsepower to play with. Now you might be thinking, sure, it's got power, but can it haul? Don't worry, Ram's got you covered. This truck can tow up to 3.5 tons in Europe. That's serious pulling power. Plus, with a 1-ton payload and a bed that's 2.2 square meters, you've got plenty of space for whatever you need to move. But the Ram 1500 isn't just about brute force. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a high-tech command center. The star of the show is the Uconnect 5 system, displayed on either a 12-inch or massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. But that's not all. You've also got a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and even a 10.25-inch passenger display. That's over 50 inches of screens. It's like driving a rolling Best Buy. Safety? Check. The Ram 1500 comes with over 100 available safety features. We're talking adaptive cruise control, drowsiness detection, and a 360-degree camera system. There's even an available head-up display to keep your eyes on the road. Now let's talk comfort. The Ram 1500 rides on a coil spring rear suspension, but you can opt for an air suspension system if you want the ultimate smooth ride. Inside, it's all about luxury. We're talking premium materials like real carbon fiber and metal accents. It's a work truck that feels like a luxury SUV. For all you off-road junkies out there, Ram's got you covered with the Rebel and new RHO trims. The RHO is particularly impressive, with a 2-inch lift, 35-inch tires, and high-performance shocks. It's ready to tackle whatever trail you throw at it. So, what does this mean for the European market? Well, Ram's already dominating the full-size pickup segment in Europe, claiming 3 out of 4 sales. This new 1500 is set to cement that position. Starting at 62,000 euros, it's not cheap, but you're getting a unique blend of American muscle and European refinement. And hey, if you're all about that electric life, keep an eye out for the Ram 1500 Rev. It's set to hit European roads in late 2025, promising class-leading range and capability in the EV truck market. To wrap it up, the new Ram 1500 is making a bold statement in Europe. It's got the power, the tech, and the refinement to appeal to European buyers looking for something different. Whether you're hauling gear to a job site or heading out for a weekend adventure, this truck's ready for action. That's all for now, folks. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, would you consider a Ram 1500 for your next truck? Until next time, keep on truckin'. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.